Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for circle. So find the general solution of the circle with a center 2, 4 and passes through the point -1, 1. So kindly illustrate the situation in a diagram. So here we have the situation, center 2, 4 and the point -1, 1. So kindly refers to the situation where we have x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square equals to r squared. So all we have to do is to find the center and the radius. Kindly refers to the diagram. Here we have the radius. So kindly refers to the formula for radius. So r is equals to square root of bracket x minus x sub 1 squared plus with y minus y sub 1 squared. So kindly substitute the situation. So the radius is equals to square root of, where we have the x, so 2 minus with the -1, so we have 2 plus 1 squared, plus where we have 4 minus 1 bracket squared. So r will be equals to square root of, where we have 9 plus with the 9. So r will be equals to square root of 18. Kindly simplify the situation. R is equals to square root of 9 multiplied with the square root of 2. So r will be equals to 3 square root of 2. Next, what we have to do is to substitute the situation into the equation of circle. So where we have the center, x minus 2 squared plus with y minus 4 bracket squared equals to r squared, where we have 18. Kindly refers to the question. They mentioned that general equation of the circle. So my suggestion would be expand the situation. So x squared minus 4x plus with the 4 plus with y squared minus 8y plus with 16 minus 18 equals to 0. Simplify the situation. X squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 8y plus where we have 20 minus 18. So finally we have plus 2 equals to 0. So here we have the general equation of the circle with the center 2, 4 and passes through the point -1, 1. Next, kindly refers to the question. Here we have a straight line x minus 2y equals to 0 intersect a circle where we have x squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 6y minus 15 equals to 0 at the point P and Q. Find the coordinate P and Q. So at first, my suggestion is let the x minus 2y equals to 0 become x equals to 2y. Then kindly substitute the x equals to 2y into the circle equation. So here we have x squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 6y minus 15 equals to 0. Kindly substitute 2y into the x. So here we will have 4y squared plus with the y squared minus 8 multiplied with 2y plus with 6y minus 15 equals to 0. 5y squared minus 16y plus with 6y minus 15 equals to 0. 5y squared minus 10y minus 15 equals to 0. Simplify the situation. Y squared minus 2y minus 3 equals to 0. Next, factorize the situation. Y minus 3 multiplied with y plus 1 equals to 0. So y is equals to 3, y equals to -1. Kindly substitute the situation into x equals to 2y. And we will have x is equals to 6 and x is equals to -2. So kindly state the situation where we have the point 6, 3, -2, -1. So we can name it as P and Q or vice versa. Next, here we have the situation for vector. Let A, where we have 1, 3 and 2, B with the coordinate 3, -1 and 6, and C with the coordinate 5, 2, 0, be the points in the three-dimensional space. Determine the direction of cosine for the vector AB. So at first, what we have to do is to determine the vector of AB. So the vector AB is equals to OB minus OA. Kindly substitute the situation. So here we will have 3, -1 and 6, followed by where we have OA, 1, 3 and 2. So the vector AB is equals to 2, -4 and 4, where we have the direction for AB. Next, what we have to do is to find the magnitude for AB, where we have the square root of x squared, where we have 4, plus with the y squared, where we have 16, plus we have z squared, where we have 16 as well. So the modulus of vector AB is equals to 6. Kindly substitute the situation into the direction of cosine for the vector AB. So where we have cos alpha is equals to 2 over 6, followed by cos beta is equals to -4 over 6. Cos gamma is equals to 4 over 6. Kindly simplify the situation. So cos alpha is equals to 1 over 3, followed by cos beta is equals to -2 over 3, and finally we have cos gamma is equals to 2 over 3. Next, proceed with the B, whether the vector AB and the AC are perpendicular vector. So before we determine the situation, kindly determine the vector AC, where we have OC minus OA. Substitute the situation, where we have 5, 2, 0 for the position vector C, minus the position vector for A would be 1, 3 and 2. So finally, the vector AC is equals to 4, -1 and -2, where we have the direction for the vector AC. Next, what we have to do is to determine whether the AB and the AC are perpendicular vector or not. So kindly refers to the situation where we have vector AB dot with the vector AC. So the vector AB would be 2, -4 and 4, dot, bracket, where we have vector AC 4, -1 and -2. So the AB dot with the AC, where we have 8 plus with the 4 minus with the 8. So AB dot AC is equals to 4. So as a conclusion, vector AB is not perpendicular to vector AC. So next, kindly refers to the situation where we have the vector. Given three vectors, A with the situation 2i minus 12j minus beta k. The vector for B, j minus 3k, and the C, 5i plus 6j plus 2k. Determine the value of beta such that A is perpendicular to B. So here we have A dot B is equals to 0. So kindly substitute the situation where we have the vector A, 2, -12, beta, dot with the B, where we have 0, 1, and -3, equals to 0. So we will have 0 minus 12 plus with the 3 beta is equals to 0. So 3 beta is equals to 12. So beta will be equals to 4. Next, kindly refers to B. Given the situation, A cross B is equals to C. So here we have A cross with the B equals to, so kindly substitute the vector A, where we have 2, -12, and beta, followed by where we have 0, 1, and -3. So now kindly refers to the situation. So if you want to look for I, kindly close up the I and we will have J crossed with the K. So 36 plus with beta. So if you are looking for J, kindly close up the J and we can cross the situation. So we will have negative 6 minus 0. Next, K, where we have 2 minus with 0. So finally, A cross with the B is equals to C. So kindly compare the situation where we have 36 plus with the beta is equals to 5. So beta will be equals to 5 minus with 36. So beta will be equals to negative 31. So here we are, and thanks for watching.